In this video, I will be showing how to make a French tack. This tack is used to keep the lining and self fabric together. In my example, I'm adding this to a skirt, but this tack can also be used on the lining of a pant at the hem. To get started, I will take a doubled over length of thread with a knot tied at the end, taking my thread through the seam allowance of my lining fabric, joining it to the self fabric seam allowance. I'm keeping some distance between the two seam allowances. This allows the fabrics to flow independently from each other but remain synced. Once I've gone through the lining to the self fabric seam allowance, I'll make a pass back to the lining and tie off, giving me 2 doubled thread passes equaling 4 single threads for the base of the French tack. Next, I will begin to create the tack. If I were to stop with what I have now, it would easily wear out from overuse. What I do next will strengthen the length of the thread. By taking the thread of my needle and creating a loophole, I take my needle behind the thread tack and through the loophole, pulling through until the thread tightens onto the thread tack. I'll do this several times at different speeds so you can get the idea of the hand movements. I would recommend the tack be no longer than 1.25 inches and no shorter than 3/4 of an inch. More specifically, use a shorter tack on close-fitting garments like pant legs and longer tacks on flowing garments like skirts. If you are having trouble with your thread twisting and knotting, I would suggest using beeswax on your thread to help with this. The wax gives more structure to the thread while it's being used. Then you can remove the wax with a little bit of heat. The beeswax will be so minimal that it will not stain. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and make sure to share the video with a friend. Until next time, my name is Audrah, and I'll see you in the next video.